In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop domain on Cloudflare. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pause Cloudflare's protection and proxy on a domain so traffic goes directly to your origin server. This is useful for troubleshooting, testing changes that you want to see immediately, or temporarily bypassing Cloudflare's security and performance features. First, open your Cloudflare account in your web browser and sign in to the dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see your list of sites. Click on the specific domain you want to stop using Cloudflare for. This takes you to that domain's overview page, which is where you'll find the controls you need. On the overview page, look for the section called Advanced Actions. It's typically located toward the bottom of the page. In that section, you should see an option labeled Pause Cloudflare on Site, or something very close to that. This is the control that temporarily pauses Cloudflare for the selected domain. When you pause, Cloudflare stops proxying and securing your traffic, so requests go straight to your origin. That means features like CDN caching, web application firewall, DDoS protection, and performance optimizations will not be active while paused. If you see the pause option, go ahead and click it. Cloudflare will usually prompt you to confirm, reminding you what pausing does. Accept the confirmation to proceed. After a moment, the dashboard should indicate that Cloudflare is paused for the domain. You may notice a banner or status message confirming the change. From this point, your visitors will connect directly to your server until you decide to turn Cloudflare back on. Now, it's important to note that in some setups, especially when a domain is using a partial or CNAME setup instead of a full setup, the pause option might not be visible. If that's your situation, it's expected that you won't see the same control in advanced actions. In many cases, that simply means pausing the entire site from the overview page isn't available the same way for that configuration. A quick reminder before you proceed. Pausing Cloudflare can expose your origin server directly to the internet and may reduce performance or security during the pause. Make sure you have a clear reason for doing this and that your origin is ready to handle requests on its own. That's it. Open your Cloudflare account, choose the domain, and use the pause option under Advanced Actions. When you're done testing or troubleshooting, you can return to the same place and turn Cloudflare back on just as easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.